Hello world, it's your boy, aka the White Geezy. The White Geezy for Sheezy. Yeah, we here tonight performing some arts on the Black Beezy. The Black Bastard, you dig? The Black Bastard, baby. The White Ghost. Yeah, tonight, man, we're finna jump into we finna jump into some motor mounts. The motor mount has failed me on the driver's side. Yes, it has. So, that being said, here's the new product. It was like, I think, $50 or $70 for a set on the Bay. I went to the Bay, baby. Went to the Bay and I got them, and that's what it was. So I'm finna get set up and take y'all along with me with this nice experience. I hear that the job is pretty rough and hectic, pain in the bottom. You know what I'm saying? But here at Bavarian Motor World, baby, we gets done, and we're gonna get it done for fun. So let me do some setting up, see what we got doing. First of all, I remove the wheels, and I got my toolies up under there for what I'm gonna use. I'm coming down with the subframe. Instead of removing the brake caliper, the rotor, you don't gotta remove all that. All you gotta do is loosen up the steering wheel rack and pinion, I think. Loosen the steering wheel rack and pinion from the subframe. Come down with the subframe. You should have all access. So I think. I will know more once we get into it. But to come down with the subframe, front two bolts is gonna be a 18 millimeter. It's gonna be an 18 millimeter. It's only 4 bolts. 15 millimeter for the 2 bolts on the back of the subframe, and for the motor mounts top and bottom. Alright, so let me get up under here, get y'all set up, and see what we got going. Let's get it cracking. That's the whole what's the name. They ain't gonna hurt it, it's just hanging. It's hanging from the steering shaft. And yeah, cause I don't wanna undo the steering shaft and it might be hard to slide back up in there. I might not get the line right. I get to pick this up and bolt it back up. Alright, we got next is the bottom motor mounts. The engine still is going to sit on the motor mounts because we ain't lifted up yet. I got to support the engine and then come down with the subframe. So let me get these motor mount bolts out. Let me see if I can get something up here to unloosen. The let me show y'all. The motor mount is right there. Right here with the strap on it and stuff. That's the motor mount. Right up in here, right there. Alright. So, let me see what we got. Okay, there's more towards. Alright, I moved the motor mount. I removed the motor mount bolt. Motor mount bracket bolt. Alright. Move that. Set it to the side. And then I came straight out with the motor mount. Yup, I went to tugging on the shit, man. When I went to tugging on it, I pulled that motherfucker open. And motor mount juice went everywhere. All in my face, all that shit. All down here. Let me get this shit cleaned up so I can get done.